The TATE Orbital automatic TIG welding machine sets the benchmark for excellence across industries, including food and beverage production, clean pipeline systems, natural gas transportation, electronics manufacturing, chemical processing, and pharmaceuticals. Today, let's explore its application in the pharmaceutical sector. In the pharmaceutical industry, sterile pipelines are essential for transporting sensitive materials like medicine and active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs. The TATE machine ensures hygienic, contamination-free welds, meeting the rigorous standards of this industry. Its automated orbital welding technology delivers smooth, precision welds that prevent bacterial growth and ensure compliance with global regulations like GMP and FDA. This reliability is crucial in cleanroom environments, where even the smallest imperfection can compromise product quality. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital automatic TIG welding machine, offering comprehensive OEM and ODM services. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Reach out to us at info@oaktate.com for more information about this groundbreaking technology.